Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today I did another ponytail tutorial, but this one is different from the last one. This ponytail is half up, half down style. The first thing to do is to section your hair from ear to ear. Then use a band to clip the back section away. So right here at the front, I applied the Ponytail gel and put the front section in a bun. To achieve a medium size bun, I attach kinky straight hair. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Moving on to the back, I did the same thing. Brush that section, apply eco styling gel, put the hair in a bun and attach kinky straight hair. After all of that, brush your hair to slick it down and then set your edges. Tie a scarf for about an hour to slick down the hair and to dry the gel. For the installation, we'll be using this coily crochet hair. Divide the crochet hair into 2 equal parts. Fold the first half in 2, use a hair scrunchie to connect the hair and attach it to the back bun. Then take few strands and wrap it around and it looks seamless. Do the same to the front bun. Fold the crochet hair in half, connect the hair with a hair scrunchie and attach it to the bun. Take few strands and wrap around to make it seamless. This is the final look and it's so beautiful. If you're uncomfortable with the hair touching your face, you can also put the front part in a bun. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all soon.